Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It became an African cuisine tradition brought to the United States by slaves, who made it using sweet potatoes and yams, a plant native to Africa, instead of pumpkin. Ever since, sweet potato pie has been a must-have dish at many African American family gatherings, especially Thanksgiving.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
That said, if we had to choose between sweet potatoes and pumpkin, the spuds are the clear winner. Not only do they have more protein than pumpkin, but they also have twice as much fiber and nearly 3 times as much vitamin A nutrient that helps the heart, lungs and kidneys work properly.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cranberry pie. To our surprise, and plenty of people on the internet, the most popular pie for Thanksgiving wasn't apple, not even pumpkin or sweet potato pie. According to the data collected by Instagram, the top most popular pie for Thanksgiving in the United States is cranberry pie.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
While pumpkin is still a healthy vegetable choice and a great option for carb watchers, the sweet potato packs more of a nutritional punch. Sweet potato pie wins as the nutritional superior in this debate. Some even liken the texture of a well-prepared pumpkin pie to that of a baked cheesecake.
Take our lead.
Sweet potato pie is a traditional dessert, originating in the southern United States. It is often served during the American holiday season, especially at Thanksgiving and Christmas in place of pumpkin pie, which is more traditional in other regions of the United States.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.